Now that's some good looking chicken right there. Almost burned my hand trying to get a good shot. Welcome back to Konye's Kitchen. On the menu today we got some air fried chicken thighs. Now that first ingredient is a must have. I'm gonna have the rest of the spices displayed here on the screen, but I just wanted to make some healthier, some that you can make throughout the week and not feel guilty to eat. Throw this along with your meal prep, alright? So you want to add your favorite all-purpose seasoning as well. Added this. You can add, some Cajun seasoning, some Tony's. It works perfectly fine. Now spray some olive oil on top. That's 100% olive oil. Do not spray Pam. And then I sprinkle a little bit more of that seasoning on top before I got into the air fryer. So you want to have it nice and spread out. I had 3 pounds. I don't recommend getting that much because it is hard to have it spread out and it takes longer to cook, but I had no choice. So we're going to cook it on about 400, about 25 minutes, flipping it halfway. After you flip it, you want to keep flipping it, every 5 minutes to make sure, it doesn't burn on one side, but just get it to where you like it. And there you have it. Look at that.